Hello, my name is Lindsay and thank you so much for stopping by on my video today. I have a new foundation that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys. This is the L'Oreal True Match Nude Foundation Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. As you can see, I have acne, hyperpigmentation, scarring, lots of texture, big pores. We got it all here on this face. If you want to and you're a new viewer of mine, please subscribe. It would help me out so much. I do a lot of foundation reviews, makeup reviews, mainly foundation reviews for acne prone skin, textured skin, normal people's skin, let's just put it that way. I do my foundation reviews with two products here. I have a microfiber sponge. Since this is a serum foundation, I know the microfiber sponge will help with the coverage and to help the foundation go a little bit farther. So this is the Juno & Co microfiber sponge. And then I have a Sigma F80, which is in my Sigma brush set. Beautiful You brush set by me, Lindsay, with Sigma. So definitely check that out. Links for everything will be down below. So this is the first, I think, L'Oreal foundation that I've tried. Liquid-wise, I've tried their L'Oreal powder foundation, the Infallible powder. I'll leave that linked as well. That blew up on TikTok. Was super popular. Tinted serums, all that kind of stuff is all the rage right now. It is in a dropper here and it seems very liquidy. I have mine in the color 2-3 Light. I was in Target when I bought this. It retailed for $14.99, but on Ulta it's $19.99. Like what? What is with that? And I'm going to go ahead and actually use a primer. Let's use the redness correcting and pore minimizing primer from Essence. I'll put this on this side of my face. Let's dive in. It's actually not as liquidy as I thought. For light, I'm surprised this is darker. It does have a little bit of like a perfumey smell to it, but it definitely feels nice and hydrating on the skin. Instant radiance with a nude skin effect. Instantly skin feels hydrated. Skin looks healthier over time. Shake. Well, 1% pure hyaluronic acid. That blended out really quick. Look at that radiance. But there we go. That covered really well. I have more acne on this side of my face, so I'm interested to see how it covers on this side. I'm breaking out a lot like on my temple. Blending out on here, I'm using the microfiber sponge. And you can also buy the Juno & Co microfiber sponge at Target as well. I've seen them in stores. The packaging on this is a little messy. There is foundation all over the bottle. Like, do you see that just from the cap and stuff? So I'm trying to take all that foundation. It is quite messy. Honestly, I'm not noticing too much of a difference. It's hard to tell because I have more acne on this side of my face, but it definitely feels like it's set more with the brush. And I feel like it blended out easily with both the brush and the sponge. So honestly, I feel like it doesn't matter with this one. With some foundations, it obviously matters whether you use a brush or a sponge, which is why I always review with both. But there we go. What do we think? Again, my bottle is so dirty right now. And this is the primed side. But yeah, it's definitely not doing the best job of covering up this acne down here. So I'm going to go in with some more. And I don't know if it's just because it's a little bit luminous that it's just not covering it and just a little too liquidy. There we go. The time right now is almost 3 o'clock. I know it's a little bit later in the day. I was taking my sweet time this afternoon. It's Sunday. I'm just chilling, doing my thing. So I'm going to go ahead and put concealer on. And powder, I like setting my face with the La Mercier translucent setting powder and then my Maybelline Infallible powder. Here's what everything is looking like so far. It is clinging to my nose a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and do my bronzer, blush, all that fun stuff, and I'll be right back. We are back. We got blush, highlight, bronzer, lip. I did like a bunch of different lipsticks because I was like, oh, this is too pink, oh, this is too berry, and it turned into this mess. So I'm not gonna even tell you what color it is because it's not quite how I wanted it to turn out, but this is the finished look. For my eyeshadow, I used the Alyssa Edwards and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. My boyfriend got this for me. I told him, I said, can you pick out my eyeshadow for me today? And he's like, let me pick this one. I haven't used this one in a long time, so you can probably tell what shades I used today. I put blue on the lower lash line and gold in the inner corner. So I have that on my eyes. And for my lashes, I have the, I think these are Ardell matte silk lashes, either Ardell or Kiss lashes. So there is that. It's now 3:10. So again, 3 o'clock is when the wear test will begin. Hello, it's 10 o'clock and I forgot to do a natural check-in because I had a bad headache today and the day got away from me. And let's see what the foundation looks like. I have not seen what it looks like in a mirror yet, but let's check it out. Get a little bit of like mascara or like eyeshadow fallout, but holy crap, this looks flawless. It looks like I haven't had the makeup on for very long at all. I am getting a little bit of settling on the forehead. This was the primed side and I'm not noticing too much of a difference. It looks like it is bringing these guys to the surface. I had some breakouts here, but otherwise everything looks absolutely flawless. Like what? It does not look like I've had this foundation on for 7 hours. Okay, what? Wow. I'm surprised with like it being a radiant foundation and just with powder and everything, it just looks like, oh my gosh, I am pleasantly surprised. Definitely check this out, and if you do buy it from Target, not Ulta, unless you want to use like a $3.50 off coupon, because you can use a coupon for over $15 at Ulta, but I got mine at Target again, and wow, I am so surprised. Wow. Thank you all so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye!